Jim Darter always used to say, don't ask what is happening in the markets. That is a big mistake that traders do. They always ask, okay, what is happening in the markets? What are the buyers trying to do? What are the sellers trying to do? And then they go one step further, where the market will go based on this. No, you need to also ask the question, what did not happen? What did not happen? Market opens gap down. Sellers are in complete control. What did not happen? IB range extension did not happen. What did not happen? Immediate move down did not happen. It found the need to go back and test the high one more time. Why is the question? Either the sellers are not confident enough to continue to push the auction lower, or there is some unfinished business here. Now, if there is some unfinished business here, what about this gap? Can we trust this gap? So all these questions you need to ask, and market can still go down. Despite of all this, market can keep extending the range. It will hit our adjustment level and we'll have to get out of our position, and we will. That's not the question. And if we have to book a loss, we'll book a loss. That's not at all a point. The point is to ask these questions to gain deeper insights into the market. Okay, the deeper insights you get, the better you will be at managing your positions.